Hi all, thanks so much for your purchase. This video is just to give you a little bit more information about how to use the spreadsheet. My first tip is to, as soon as you get it, go ahead and make a copy and name it original template, or maybe name it 2023, 2024, whatever you want, so that you always have the original that you purchased from me um, intact, not touched, so that if any of the formulas ever get messed up on the one you've created, you can always go back to get them. So that's my first tip, is just to kind of make a copy and always keep that first blank one that you downloaded. Secondly, in the category section, when you hit the drop down, you'll notice that there are some things that are preloaded. You can edit those just by hitting the button at the bottom. And over here is where you put in your specific category. So let's say that I wanted one of the categories um, to be decals, if I'm a decal seller. So I would change all my categories, and then when I hit done, it actually gives me the option to change it to apply to all, which will then do the entire column for me. So I don't have to redo for every column. So that's an easy way to change the categories to match your small business. When you're finished, you can just go ahead and X out of that menu. And then you can go ahead and you can fill in all of your other information. As you put information into all of the different columns, you will notice that over on the, well, up here, you'll notice changes. And then over on the final annual overview section, you will also start to notice changes. And that is where your charts will populate, and all of your quarterly um, fees, income, shipping, and expenses will also populate. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. Send me a message through Etsy. No problem. I am happy to help you. I can send you more videos if you have a specific question, or just answer you through email, whatever you need. So just know that this will be blank until you start getting some data into your spreadsheets. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope that you are happy with your purchase. Please leave me some feedback if you are. Have a great day.